We'll guide you through how to increase and boost FPS in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So it can be super annoying if you're finding your Minecraft isn't quite quick enough and it's a little bit laggy, so you want to get more FPS to have that smoother experience. So let's go and do this. We are going to need to go and download something, so let's go and quit the game. Now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'm using Chrome in this case, but you can use any. And then what you want to do is go and search for something called Optifine. Optifine is a Minecraft optimization tool. Go and search for it and come to the site. Then all you need to do is go to the top and go and click on downloads. And you'll then see the different versions here. Personally, I like to go and get the most recent release, which in this case is for 1.20.4. So we can come to the right and click on the download button. Now just be aware this will take you to an ad wall. So these buttons here are for the ad. To go and actually download Optifine, you need to click on the skip button in the top right. And then you'll get taken to the download page, click on download, and it will then download. Now, before we start installing it, then I want to say a big thank you to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. They've got so many awesome features and benefits, like 24/7 servers and support, which means you can get help from the live chat assistants anytime you need it, DDoS protection, one-click install mod packs, and so much more. If you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and in the description as well. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So go and check them out. Now what we need to do is go and find the Optifine install file, open up your file explorer and go to your downloads, and there it is. Then what you need to do is go and double click on it like so, and it should open. If it doesn't, then this is because you don't have Java installed or it's not working correctly. So go back to your browser and you want to go and search for Java, and you then want to head to java.com like so. And then what you can do is click on download Java, it will download and you can then go and install it like any other application. Then return to Optifine and right click on it, hover over open with, and you can then go and select Java like so. Alternatively, you can go and click on open with or hover over it and click on choose another app as well, select always and it should open. If it still doesn't, you can try doing something called a jar fix, which will go and relink jar and Java files. Once this is open, click install and wait, and you should shortly go and get the success message like so. And that's it, it's now installed. And so then what you can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Come to the left to the play button in the launcher and make sure you select Optifine and then click on play. And then what you can do is go and get into a game. So pause the game and click on options and then click on video settings. Now what you can do is start working through these different settings. What you need to do is hover your cursor over it and you'll then go and get a pop-up. And it's going to go and tell you the fastest option. Not every setting will have this. For example, GUI scale, that isn't going to affect the FPS, but the settings which do will tell you. And then what you can do is adjust it. It's important to note that there is a trade-off between quality and performance. For example, if you had everything set to the fastest option, Minecraft then won't look that good. So you may want to go and increase it a little bit. That will decrease performance, but increase the quality, which you may enjoy. So yeah, work your way through. For example, render distance, it will tell you the fastest, and you get the idea. The good thing about Optifine is it unlocks things like details and animations, and you can go through here and go and set them to the fastest option if you want to. So I can start doing that now. And after you've worked your way through all the different settings, you've got quality and performance over here as well, and more settings, you should then go and start and notice an increase in performance. One thing I recommend you do though is you set max frame rate to unlimited. That's like the first thing, as otherwise you are instantly capping your FPS. So hopefully you found this guide useful.